Yo! Maungulit na naman, guys. I hate it when this thing happens. Sorry about that. Ito yung idea ko na mas matinong ending. Di ba yung original beat is tuk-tak, tuk-tak. Doon tayo sa may bridge. Tuk-tak, tuk-tak. One day did something, all the inspiration, so we give you admiration. And today, in a special celebration, we offer a simple song. Pare, tapos na yung guitar solo. Tapos ito yung magiging palatandaan pag tapos na. Dalawang ganito. Shift to clean tones. Tapos thank you for the music and the friendship you've shared. They're all cherished memories. Yet another reason I bet you'd agree why we enjoy music in the key of A. Tapos shift na naman. End. Yun yung isang idea ko. Kaya ako hindi siya nagawa kanina kasi one time, big time recording yun kanina. Yun. Maybe mamaya or bukas mabubuo ko yung song na kung ano man ang gusto kong plan. Anyways, cheers.